At some point in the session of the 3rd of November 2022, MRUS stock lost, or rather printed, a 52-week low. The price reached a new 52-week low of $12.05. This was beneath the previous low of $13.47 by 10.51%, and it was at that time 63.58% below the 52-week high of $3.09. So we haven't gotten that news behind this retracement. We don't have it. Do we have it? I think let's see whether we have that news concerning MRUS. Okay, it says here, okay, no, it's something about the FDA requiring them to carry out more tests or something like that. But also it also reported quarterly loss per share of $0.53. Okay, so given this, what has happened today, we have it that the probability that it can bounce back at least above its 50-day moving average. I know the 50-day moving average is way far away from where things are right now. The 50-day moving average is around $23.06. So the probability that it will remain below this sort of levels, or at least below this 50-day moving average, is around 85.31%. So the probability that it will challenge, or at least rise above that 50-day moving average. So the 50-day moving average is at 21.63, or rather, 50-day moving average is 21.63. So the probability that it will rise above that is 85.31. The probability that it will the probability that it will remain below this 50-day moving average is very high, 85.31. The probability that it will rise above it is a small 14.61%. So we have upward projections of 16.28, 17.71, 18.89. No guarantee that any of those will happen. A downward projection, further downward projection of 14.01. So MRUS appears to be in a strong bearish trend. Shares are below a declining 200-day moving average, and it's also lagging the S&P 500. Momentum is strongly bearish. The 14-period slow oscillator is falling as investors sell shares and drive the price of MRUS lower. The volume for today was heavier than usual, trading 3.841 million shares versus an average of 273,537 shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator, the unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of the indicator is negative and suggests that there's a lack of buying interest. So this is what's going on now. There are more sellers than buyers at the moment, and it may, at some point, a bottom may be reached, but there are fundamental issues that were behind this retracement. So once again, the probability that it will remain at this sort of levels, or at least below $21.53, is pretty high, 85.31%. But the probability that it will get close to that or surpass 21.53 is 14.69. Downward projection is 14.01. Upward projection 16.28, 17.71. See what you make of MRUS, and thank you very much for watching this video.